Hey G4, how you doing? Welcome back to Philly. My name is Ron Dukes. I was part of American Ninja Warrior 2, and needless to say, I did not reach my goal, which was to complete the first stage. Had a lot of adrenaline burning in me that day. You guys run a fantastic show. I wasn't focused, so I was very inexperienced at that part. So I took a year off, competing in various events, around the country, trying to season myself to get ready for American Ninja Warrior 3. Alas, things didn't go my way once again, so I wasn't part of American Ninja Warrior 3. So this year is all about revenge, vengeance. I want to conquer the first stage. I want to conquer regionals and then get to Vegas. So I took a lot of time out, did a lot of body weight training, a lot of agility training, and hopefully it pays off. So hopefully what you see in the film, I hope you enjoy, and my goal is to see you in Miami. All right, peace.
Yep.
632-0975, 610-632-0975. I want to get your reaction to yesterday. I mean, is there any outrage left in the fan base? That's what I'm very curious to know. Because I got... Broncos released quarterback Kyle Orton, and it looks like the reports he made claimed by the Chicago Bears. Again, he was claimed off the players from the worst teams up to the best teams that made it to Chicago. He's claimed him. Ravens linebacker Ray Lewis is doing everything he can to play tomorrow night.
Financing is lower 1.9% APR on select models for qualified buyers for a limited term. Credit problems, Constelli, and Camel. Complimentary kit with each step drive while supplies last. This weekend only, August 4 through the 8th. Constelli one other car pack sale at all Constelli dealerships in Conshohocken and Springfield, Delaware.
Who is mommy? Yeah, right there.
Twist it all around.
Twist it, twist it.
Twist.